ano namin, Sherry, no, may pamaypay.
I love that. I want one of those.
Ginawa ko lang ano. Ito mo yung cake ko. Oh, Sherry, no? Oh,
It's small.
oh, kita mo yan.
It's tiny.
I know, but it's still. Kita mo yan, Sherry.
What kind of cake was it?
Mocha ata yan, o vanilla. Kita mo yan, Sherry, no? Oh. Oo, 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 oo. O, kita mo yan. Yan, cake pa rin yan sa dulo. Oh. 2 layer yata yun, o 3. Tapos meron sa baba. Oh. Alam ko niya, tinago ko yan eh. Naundoy ata yan sa Pasig eh. Kaya hindi ko na nakuha eh. Alam ko yung figurine na yan natago ko yan sa Pasig eh. Nawala. Kita mo yan, may kalapati pa yan. Wala ba kayong ganun dito? Ha? Maglagay kasi rin kalapati.
I like that backdrop though.
Ha?
That backdrop that you have.
Yeah.
I want that.
Tapos may ilaw. Kaya kaya mo yun.
Backdrop. I can make that.
Kaya mo yun.
It's easy.
Sherry, si Ate si Pamba may kalapati? Meron.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, she should.
No,
May tanga. Makikita ko sa kanya
we're
yun.
not having freaking